Hello students, welcome back to my channel BioBinge, where science simplified and wonder amplified. So in this video, we will be discussing about history of cell. So let's dive into the video. What if I told you that your entire body, every part of you from your skin to your brain is made up of tiny living units? So these invisible building blocks are called cells, and their discovery changed science forever. So let's travel back in time to explore the incredible history of our cell. So our journey begins in the late 1500s in the Netherlands. So two spectacle makers named Hans and Janssen invented the first compound microscope. It wasn't a very powerful, but it is allowed humans to see things they had never seen before. In 1665, Robert Hooke used a microscope to observe the cork. He saw there were small empty box-like structures. He called them cells because they reminded him of the tiny rooms. So in 1674, Antonio Leeuwenhoek made his own microscopes that he could see living things. He looked at pond water, blood, and even his own saliva. What he saw were tiny moving creatures he called animalcules, now known as the bacteria and protozoa. So there is an fun fact that Leeuwenhoek was the first person to observe sperm cells, red blood cells, and single-celled organisms. So fast forwarded to the 1800s, scientists began realizing that cells were not just weird structures, they were the basis of life. So in 1838 and 39, there were two scientists called Schuon and Schilden, a German zoologist and botanist. They discovered that plants and animals are made up of cells. So together they proposed all living organisms are made up of cells, but something was missing. So where do cells come from? In 1855, Rudolf, another German scientist, provided the answer for this. So all the cells come from pre-existing cells. Thus, the cell theory was formed. So today, we can grow organs in the labs, fight cancer against the cellular level, and even study life on other planets. So all thanks to our understanding of the cell. From cork under a microscope to editing DNA, the cell has taken us on a journey from the past to the future. So, if this video sounds helpful, make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything out. Until we'll meet in the next video, see you, stay blessed. Thank you.